Janine Gutierrez, trending sa sobrang ganda at sexing kasuotan na gawa ni Mark Baumgartner. Mga ka-celebrity hub, ito na talaga ang showstopper moment ng ABS-CBN Ball 2025. Hindi lang basta dumalo si Janine Gutierrez, she shot it down with her breathtaking gown designed by no less than the fashion genius himself, Mark Baumgartner. Ang kasuotan, next level eleganza. Isang custom-made, body contouring gown in a rich bronze tone na may dramatic slit, daring neckline, at handcrafted embellishments na kumikislap sa bawat flash ng kamera. Parang pinagsamang Latina queen at Hollywood royalty, and Janine wore it like it was made for a goddess. Hindi nagtagal, hashtag Janine Gutierrez at hashtag Mark Baumgartner agad ang nagtrending sa X, Twitter, Instagram, at Facebook. Mas mahigit, grabe. Janine Gutierrez katumbas definition of perfection. Mark Baumgartner never misses. But Janine gave it life. Sobrang sexy, pero elegant. That's how you slay. At syempre, hindi pinalampas ng fans ang tambalang beauty and fashion na ito. Perfect combo talaga si Janine at Mark, class, glam, at power. Ayon sa sources, ilang linggo raw inihanda ang gown na ito, at personal na minildahan sa katawan ni Janine para siguradong flawless ang fit. Resulta, a head-turning, jaw-dropping moment na ngayon ay itinuturing ng isa sa best dressed of the night. Say mo, Echo, may pinakawalan kang Diyosa. Abangan kung may next fashion collab pa si Janine at Mark Baumgartner. Pero isa lang ang sigurado, when Janine walks, the world watches.